everyone, and welcome to the accounting program to all new students to SLC as well as all returning students. My name is Lisa KJ, and I'm here with the entire accounting program team. We're eager to say hi to you and to welcome you guys. So let's get started. I will be teaching you guys finance and managerial accounting. So managerial accounting to the second year group and finance to the third year group.
Hi, I'm Ralph Hippen. I'm teaching Accounting 1 in September 2020.
Hi everyone, my name is Julie. I'm one of your 3 possible math teachers in first year. My colleague Melanie is here. Say hi, Melanie.
Hi, how are you? So I teach statistics, math 35, which is business math, and math 53, financial math.
I'm Brenda, and I teach accounting 1039, so Sage 50. So you get to take all of those skills you learn in first year, manual accounting, and apply them in a computer environment.
Hi everybody, I'm Gail McAllister. I will be teaching HUMA 1079, that's organizational behavior, and that'll be with the second year students. Looking forward to seeing you.
Hi everyone, welcome to new students to SLC and welcome to the accounting program. My name is Alin and I'll be teaching you taxation and intermediate accounting.
Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Simmers and I will be teaching you in your third year. I'll be teaching you accounting 35, which is the auditing course.
And that's it. So we'll be happy to see you in the fall and we can't wait. Have a great summer.